Good morning, student. Today we are going to revision our second chapter, that is partnership. Okay, beta. In this revision, very fast we will try to see all the account which is making in the partnership and all different type of activities or different type of case which is coming in partnership and how to solve that type of questions. Okay, beta. So first we are going to start meaning of partnership. Okay, partnership is what, beta? Partnership is the relation between two or more person. Partnership is the relation between two or more person. They are agreed to do or done any business or run any business and sharing his profit and loss in any set proportion, and that business will run by one, two or all. Partnership is the relation between two or more person. They are ready to run any business and sharing his profit and loss in any set proportion, and that business run by one, two or all. Okay, now we are going for the features. Mainly first feature is unlimited liabilities of the partners. Okay, second feature two or more person. Third agreement. Fourth, profit sharing ratio, working by one, two or all partners, any legal business. These are the feature of partnership. Okay, beta. After this we are going for the limited liability partners. This limited liability partner of one system in which the partner's liability will limited. Okay, that partner's liability will limited because one very big demerits are limitation of partnership, partners unlimited liabilities. So in this limited liability partners, we are just providing the limited liability of the some partners. Okay, beta. After that we are going to see the accounting treatment of this partnership. Okay, beta. In this partnership we are going to make some account which are very important. In this partnership we are not going to make the PL account. In this partnership we are going to make the PL appropriation. Okay, beta. PL appropriation. Now I am going to explain what is the PL appropriation. PL appropriation account which we are making for the showing of expense and income which is related with the partners only. That type of income and expenditure we are going to show. That type of income and expenditure we are going to show in partnership. Okay, beta. In this PL appropriation we are going to show that type of expense and income which is related with the partners. Just see PL appropriation. Two side you will know because division. This side to interest on capital, to salary, to commission, by PL and by interest on drawing. Okay, beta. We are going to show these all things, and then after the difference if coming this side, that is profit, and coming this side then by loss. These profit or loss that will distributed in the old partner old ratio. Okay, beta. Old partner old ratio. Okay, it's clear. First we are going to show the PL, that is showing by the PL account, then interest on drawing, then interest on capital, then salary, and then commission. Okay, beta. These all we are going to show in PL appropriation account. Okay. After this we are going for the capital account. Just after capital account, just see how to make the capital account. In this capital account we are going to make the amount column with equal of partners number. Okay, beta. How many partners is there? That same Then we are going to show the buy balance, that buy balance BD, buy balance BD. Okay, buy balance BD. In this side, we are showing the capital of the partner, then buy interest on capital, buy salary, buy commission, buy PL. Okay, beta? By PL we are going to show. By PL, if goodwill is there, then buy goodwill. Okay, workman compensation fund, then buy workman compensation fund. These all we are going to show on credit side, and debit side to drawing and to interest on drawing. Okay, beta? Drawing and interest on drawing, and then to PL or loss, and then last balance CD, that will go on the balance sheet. Okay, beta? This first is the PL appropriation account, then second capital account. On this way we are going to make the capital account. Okay, beta? On this way, all the things, balance, interest on capital, salary, commission, PL, goodwill, workman compensation fund, showing on the credit side. Name like that, ARB. Okay, credit side, and debit side, drawing, interest on drawing, loss, balance. Okay, this balance is transferred in the where? In balance sheet. Okay, and if the capital is fixed, this case we are utilizing when capital is fluctuating. Okay, beta? When capital is fixed, then we are going to make two account. Okay, then we are going to make two account. Okay, beta? And in this two account we are going to make capital and current both. Now I am going with the current and capital account. If capital is fixed, then we are going to make the current and capital both. Just see. First capital account. Same again. How many partner in the firm? Equal to the column we are going for the maintaining for the amount. Here we are showing buy balance BD. That capital, beta. Okay? That capital. Then buy cash. If they are going to introduce any capital at this side, to cash if they are withdraw any capital, and after that to balance CD. Okay, beta? Only these four head we are showing in the capital account. On the case of capital fixed. We are going to show only in capital account balance, then cash. If introduce new capital, additional capital, cash, withdrawal, and to balance CD if difference. Okay, and then this same account that we are going to make for the capital, that name is current account, and this balance we are not going to show. Okay, beta? This balance we are not going to show, and his name is changed. It's a current account. Okay, beta? Okay, beta? Current account. When capital is fixed, the only change is this only. Okay? We are going to make two account. One is the capital and second is the current. Current account same like a capital. Only the balance will shift from here and so transfer in the capital account. In the capital account, buy balance. If withdraw, then showing withdrawal, introduce, then introduce, and then balance. And in current account, all other thing, interest on capital, salary, commission, PR, workman compensation fund, goodwill, and drawing, interest on drawing, and loss. Okay, beta? Clear? Now, after this, we are going to see other topic, that is interest on drawing. Okay, beta? Interest on drawing. Just see how we are going to calculate the interest on drawing, if that is given in the question. That is given in the question. Then we are going to show how interest on drawing. For the interest on drawing, 12, 9, 6, 4. Beginning, mid, and end. On this way, we are just going to make the one table. By the utilizing of this table, you can easily calculate the interest on drawing. Okay, beta? Easily calculate the interest on drawing by the utilizing of this table. Okay, beta? Use of this table in your question, then easily maintain the interest, calculate the interest on drawing. Before the calculating of interest on drawing, first we just know about that how to do the drawing. One is fixed amount. If any fixed amount during the year, then we are going to calculate 1/2 month. Then we are going to calculate 1/2 month. Okay, beta? 1/2 or 6/12. Okay. Other thing is same, only month will change. 1/2 or 6/12. And if you are going to take the drawing in unsystematic way, like that, 30 Jan 2000, okay, 30th Feb, 28 Feb, 8000, 31st March, 1000. On this way, that is not set. That is not set at random date. Then we are utilizing product method, beta. Just calculate the 31st March date. How many months? January. 30th January means 2 months. February 1 month. March 0 month. Then multiply product amount and then take the total product and then total product amount into 1/12. Only 1 month interest we are going to calculate into rate upon 100. Okay, beta? On this way we are going to calculate. Okay? Then go for the continuous process, in which we are taking that drawing in continuously. Okay? In that system, just see, when we are going to take the drawing continuously, beta, it means any system is there. As like that, first day of every month, mid day of every month, last date of every month, all 12 months continuously, 9 month, 6 month, quarterly. Okay, beta? For that, I am also giving one table you are. The table is 12 month, 9 month, 6 month and quarter. Beginning of that month, mid of that month, end of that month. Okay, beta? If 12 months continuously beginning, 12 months continuously beginning, beta, okay, then 6.5 month interest on drawing we are going to calculate. If mid, then 6, end, then 5.5. Okay, this side just less 1.5, means 5, 9 month beginning 5, 9 month mid 4.5, 9 month end 4, less 1.5, 6 month beginning 3.5, 6 month mid 3, 6 month end 2.5. Okay, and here 7.5, 6 and 4.5. Okay, beta. This table you can utilize on the time of calculating of interest on drawing using the formula amount into 12 or 9 or 6 or 4. How many months is there? We are going to utilize this into if beginning, then beginning, mid, then mid, and then end, then end upon 12. Okay, then we are just calculating just which month we are going to take, then 12, then rate upon 100. Okay, beta. This formula we can utilize on the time of calculating of interest on drawing. On the time of calculating of interest on drawing. Okay, beta. Clear? Now I am going for the interest on capital. In that interest on capital, only rule is there, because on the time of calculating that interest on capital, you have to follow the rule which is given in the partnership deed. If deed is not there, then we are not providing any type of interest on capital or interest on drawing. If indeed they are given about the interest on drawing, then interest on capital, in that interest on capital, if provide by the deed, then if you have some profit, then you are going to charge the interest on capital. If you have loss, then you are not going to charge any type of interest on capital. Okay, beta? Okay, it means if indeed it's given like a appropriation of interest on capital, then we are going to show that interest on capital on the case if the firm have the profit. If loss is there, then we are not going to give any type of interest on capital. Okay, beta? Clear? On this way, we are going to calculate the interest on capital. Again, I like to repeat those things. If indeed it's provided as an appropriation, then if you have some profit, then you are just calculating the interest on capital. If loss, then no need to calculate the interest on capital. Second, if it's as a charge against profit, it's given in your PL appropriate, given in your question. If it's charge against the PL, then we are going to give this interest on capital even they have the loss also. Okay, beta? Profit then to sure, loss then also. If charge is there, then sure and certain we are providing the interest on capital, profit or loss, anything. One more case is there. If appropriation is there, okay, and then we are going to provide that interest on capital. And by the providing of this interest on capital, if loss is there, okay, it produces the loss, then this profit will distribute in the partner in interest on capital ratio. As like that, if your profit is 30,000, okay, beta, your profit is 30,000, okay. Clear? And interest on capital of A and B. Interest on capital of A and B 40,000 and 20,000. Total of this 60,000. It means it's more than of interest on capital. It's more than of interest on capital. Then this profit will distributed in the ratio of 4:2, beta. 4:2. It means that profit will distributed in the ratio of capital, interest on capital. interest on capital 40,000 and 20,000, it means 4:2. It means that will distribute in as like that 20,000 and 10,000. Okay, beta. On this way we are going to provide interest on capital. Okay, beta. Now I am going for the one more topic, that is adjustment entry. That is adjustment entry. Just see adjustment entry. Okay, beta. Adjustment entry. As like that, if on the time of making this all account we are not able to provide the interest on capital or interest on drawing or any other expense, so on that time main problem is relate with this expense is total amount of that expense. As like that, how we are going to solve? Like interest on capital, we are going to show A, B, C of interest on capital, then total beta. Okay, then this total amount we are going to distribute in profit sharing ratio. Okay, profit sharing ratio. Okay, and then take the difference, and this difference, if positive then credit, if negative then debit. Okay, beta. If positive then credit, if negative then debit. On this way we are going to do the entry. As like that, if B amount is more here, in profit sharing ratio is more, and in time of taking of interest on capital less, so debit. Okay, have they remember or not? As like the first question, we are just calculating like a 64,000, okay, 32,000 and 24,000. Total amount is 1,20,000. Then divide equally. Okay, beta. Then 30,000. 40,000. Sorry, the ratio is I think 2:1:1. Okay, beta? Yes, 2:1:1. So 60,000. Okay, then 30,000 and 30,000. Okay, then take the difference. 4,000 positive, 2,000 positive, 6,000 negative. It means C debit, C is capital, debit to A capital to B capital. 6,000, 4,000 and 2,000. Okay, beta? Clear? Clear or not? Okay. Next, one more topic is there, adjustment. Okay, beta? Adjustment. After this, we are going for the one more topic. I think, guarantee. Guarantee of partners. It's the last topic of this video and of this chapter also. Guarantee of partners. Okay, beta? In this system, sometime the other partners give the guarantee of new partner or any other partners कि if any type of problem will come, so that problem is not facing of that new partner or that partner, loss is there or his profit amount is set by the guarantee, is or you say is secured by the guarantee of other partner. Okay, beta? It's very easy. As like that, if A and B is there and C is the partner, and if they have the guarantee of 10,000 rupees, but if they get only 8,000 rupees, the remaining this 2,000 is shared by the A and B in his profit sharing ratio, beta. Okay, beta? A and B in his profit sharing ratio. Profit sharing ratio. Okay, beta? Profit sharing ratio. As like, if question like that, and you are going to make the PL account, PL appropriation, and your profit is 30,000. Okay, So two profit, then distribute this profit is 2:1:1. Okay, beta? 2:1:1. Okay? And then if 1 ratio, it means 7,500, 7,500 and 15,000. But here security of 10,000, it means we are going to give him 2,500 more, and this 2,500 is sharing by these two, A and B, in his profit sharing ratio. Okay, beta? On this way we are going to solve the question. Clear? This all about the chapter number 2, partnership, and try to take all the heading, all the related points to take you clear about the on the time of solving question. When you are going to solve the question, on that time you are easy to understand all the things. Okay, beta? Just by this video I am trying to just clear all the doubt of the different topic. Okay, beta? Clear? Thank you.